Hi guys, so welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the Offshore Herald in Fish It Roblox. So this Offshore Herald is one of the most epic tire fish in the crystal depths, and I'm going to break down the bait, the road, and also the time and weather to catch this epic tire fish. So first, for the weather and time, let's see in here in the fish index. So you can actually catch it anytime and in any weather. And for the location, you can get it in the crystal depths and just choose your favorite spot. So for me, I got this one while I fish at the top of this rock right here, and I'm using element road with singularity bait to get this one. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.